Hallo und willkommen zurück im Showroom.
Hello and welcome back to the Odelshausen showroom. My name is Thomas and I'm pleased that I can continue to show you our Garant gridline system. Simple, systematic, good. In the last video, I already mentioned that the best way to push the workbench is to use handles. And of course we have come up with something special for Garant gridline. I've brought along a pair of our push handles, and the special thing about them is that we can fit them almost anywhere. For example, underneath the worktop is a perfect place to fit them, at a distance to suit your requirements. Or this is a new feature of our push handles. We remove the mounting block. By doing this, we get a push handle with a recess that allows a perfect fit to a workbench top. Or, for example, on a Garant gridline tool cabinet, which is what I'd like to show you here. The great thing about our handles is we have an anti-slip coating, which allows you to keep everything under control, even with sweaty or oily hands. Just come by and try it out for yourself. I hope you've enjoyed it so far, and I would be happy to show you more Garant gridline system features. See you soon.